So you've got your iPad. You've ignored all the better alternatives on the market. You've been drawn in by flashy adverts and your need to feel appreciated. You can watch films on it, visit the App Store, read the paper, check your emails. You can also use it conveniently almost anywhere. On your desk, your lap, 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 your lap. We at Apple understand it's not perfect, and we want to make some more money, so we've created something new. It has all the same capabilities as the iPad. It still doesn't have flash. It still doesn't have a camera. It will still have a newer, better version out in a few months' time. You can have all this in the palm of your hand. Welcome to the future.
Because this morning is the perfect morning. Every